To remotely start your 2016-2022 Honda Pilot using the key fob, first ensure all doors are locked and closed. For 2018-2022 models, press and hold the remote start button, which has an engine icon, for about 2 seconds. You'll see the turn signals flash, and the engine will start. For 2016-2017 models, quickly press the lock button twice. The engine will run for 10 minutes, and you can extend it once by repeating the process. Press the remote start button again to turn off the engine. If the remote start doesn't work, check the key fob battery, which can degrade over time and cause intermittent failures. Make sure the hood is closed, as it's a safety interlock. The system will automatically shut down if it detects issues like low fuel or excessive engine temperature. Note, remote start is disabled in valet mode. For 28+ models with Honda Link, you can also start the car via the smartphone app, which offers remote diagnostics and geofencing options. Regular app updates are recommended.